Easihold is the original stone and mulch binder, now completely re-engineered by our in-house scientists to be stronger and provide greater coverage. It is now plant-powered with pressure-sensitive adhesive that locks loose stones and mulch in place using our dual bond technology. It is independently verified as microplastic-free and comes in 3 sizes, remains 100% permeable and is entirely non-hazardous. Application takes just 3 simple steps. Using an airless sprayer, apply the recommended amount of this ready-to-use solution evenly across the surface and use a compacting tool to firmly compact the area. This is where the first part of the bond begins. Wait around 30 minutes, then apply the second and final coat. Allow 36 hours for it to complete its final cure. A small trigger spray gun covers 2 meters squared, 2 litre bottle covers 5 meters squared, and the 4.1 litre bottle covers just over 10 meters squared. Upgrade your landscape with Easihold. Stronger, cleaner, and greener than ever. This is Easihold, our stone and mulch glue.